He had many bad habits. He was trying hard to break. And every time he thought it got better, he would make another mistake. So he knows it's far from perfect. He is trying to rewrite the